Welcome to MBBS Council. Bombay High Court ordered NTA to conduct NEET 2021 exam again for 2 candidates within 2 weeks. In this video, we will see why this will delay the NEET 2021 result. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now to get latest updates on NEET counseling. The Bombay High Court has directed the National Testing Agency to conduct the NEET again for 2 medical college aspirants, as they had been handed question papers and answer sheets with incorrect code. Bombay High Court also instructed NTA not to release the NEET 2021 results of these 2 candidates and reconduct the NEET exam within 2 weeks. When NTA releases the NEET scorecard, it contains All India rank of the student. Because of these 2 candidates, All India rank of many candidates will change if NTA decides to release NEET 2021 results, excluding these 2 students on an earlier date before conducting the NEET exam. Moreover, NTA has again opened correction window till 26th October for NEET online application form. So it is likely that NTA will conduct exam first for these 2 candidates and release results after 2 weeks for all the students. We have to wait for another 2 weeks for the NEET 2021 results. Let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for NTA's decision on NEET 2021 result. If you need any guidance for MBBS admission, call MBBS Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.